Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about the importance of using an e-signature field on your forms and why you should be doing it. Let's get into it. Alright, so using an e-signature field allows you to create a clear communication before the client makes any kind of payment of what the deliverables are and what they should be expecting from your agency. Signing this field means that the client acknowledges what they're going to be receiving from you, and this creates a very transparent communication so that there is no confusion later on. Within an e-signature field, you can include things like your terms and conditions, delivery times, warranty periods, or for example, your refund policy. In our experience at SPP, making all of this information available to the client and them signing on it creates a very smooth experience going forward. And to accomplish this on your existing workspace and order forms, you can use the e-signature field that we added recently. Let me show you what it looks like and how to set it up. The first step would be, of course, to log into your workspace. Now that you're logged in, you can navigate into order forms, pick a form where you'd like to add the e-signature field. For example, let's do this one. And here I went ahead and I prepared by adding a e-signature field already. As you can see, if we scroll down, it's right over here. You can add in any kind of text for your clients to sign. And for example, again, as we said earlier, you can add all kinds of information here that is relevant to your business that your client should be made aware of before making a purchase. You can also add this field into intake forms as well as contact forms if you'd like. This field also supports HTML in case you'd like to format your terms in any specific way. Once you've added the field in, added a placeholder text as well as given it a name, you can go ahead and save your form. After you've saved your form, you can click on View Form to navigate to it, which I've already opened in another window to see what it looks like. So this is our demo form over here, and if I go ahead and scroll down, you'll be able to see the e-signature field that we added earlier. Within the form, you're able to see all the information that you added into the e-signature field, as you can see here, and your client would have to sign this before checking out, of course. This is basically the electronic equivalent of getting your client's signature on any kind of contract, protecting both you and them from any confusion going forward. Alright, let me go ahead and fill this form to show you what it looks like on the client's end as well as the admin's end once this has been signed. So once the client checks out and fill their intake form, they're taken into the order as you can see over here with the signature visible as well as when it was signed and from what IP address. Of course, it's going to show the actual IP address and not the dummy one that I've inserted here. Now, to see what this looks like on the admin side, let's go back to admin really quickly, go into orders, and go into the order that we just made. Again, similar to how it is on the client side, you'll be able to see their signature under the project data as well as what time it was signed and their IP address. This prevents any doubts on who may have filled in an intake form or an order form as well as what time they did so. Alright, so this has been a video on why you should use the e-signature field on your workspace and how it looks like. I hope you benefited from this video. Thank you so much for watching again. Have a good one.